Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard colors in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here. This is the keyboard color as of now. It is in white. Okay, so white keyboard is available as of now. If you would like to change to keyboard, change to other color for your keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management and go to languages and input, and here select on screen keyboard, and here click on manage on screen keyboard and click on Gboard, and here go to theme, and you can select other theme. Okay, so this is black and white, this is black. Okay, see the preview. Also you can choose other color. See here, this is red, this is green background, blue background. After selecting one color, click on apply and go to the home screen and see the typing interface. See, keyboard color has been completely changed from white to blue. Okay, again I go to the same settings, and also you have some other nature background. See here, this background will be applied. You can choose any one from the available landscapes. See, I have selected this one finally and click on apply and see the changes. Wow, it looks very well. Also you have light gradient. See, this is the preview. Okay, wow, it's also very nice, and see how it looks. See, so from the available options in your phone, you can choose. This is dark gradient keyboard color. See, so in this way you can easily change. Okay, suppose if you would like to get back to default one, what you have to do, go to the same settings and just choose white and apply. Okay, see the changes. Yes, default keyboard color has been now appearing. Okay, so in this way you can easily change to any color for your keyboard. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.